I start cooking when my husband leaves work, giving myself 30 minutes on the clock. Tonight we're having taco pizza. Let me show you how we made it. This is a great hack if you have leftover taco meat and are tired of eating tortillas. If you're from the Midwest, you know that taco pizza is superior to all other flavors. Or at least we think it is. Every Friday night we have pizza night. Sometimes I make homemade crust. Sometimes I buy the pre-made stuff. It's the perfect vessel for a taco pizza. For this, I made up a little crema, half a cup of Greek yogurt, as much taco sauce as I felt like it needed, a little bit of jalapeno juice. I'm just gonna use this on the top of my pizza. I have seen some people that use that as the sauce. That's a great idea. Traditionally, you're gonna use a bean dip as your base. I put beans in with my meat. My husband's coworkers would thank me if I didn't double up on the beans. For Derek's, I'm just gonna do some mild taco sauce. Next up, add a nice layer of your taco meat. I did warm this up on the stovetop just to help everything get warm a little bit faster. Fresh onion for him. A lot of fresh onion. We love onion in this house. If anybody's been watching my videos for more than a week, you know that my husband does not like peppers or tomatoes. I don't include tomatoes, I don't include peppers in any of my recipes, just out of respect for him. The last thing for his, a little bit of cheese. Again, fresh shredded's always gonna be best. We have some leftover pre-shredded and I just wanna use this up. We're gonna use it tonight. First one is ready to go. On the Zazz. 8 minutes on the pizzazz. You could do these in the air fryer or in the oven. For our toddler, I'm gonna do something just a little bit more simple. I don't know if she'll love that. I'll do a really light layer of mild sauce. Adding some taco meat. Girl loves tacos and loves taco meat. She just loves beef. She'll only eat about half of this, take the rest for her lunch tomorrow. These are ready for the Zazz. Has that been in my video the entire time? Probably. This is one kitchen appliance I've always adored. I still use it every single week. Mine's gonna be just a little bit different. I'm gonna use some guacamole salsa. That'll be okay. Maybe it's not too bad. It's perfect. Our beanie taco meat right here. Spread that on here. My taco meat is definitely really saucy. Onion, jalapenos, because I love them. These are the tamed version, so they're really not that spicy. They're just a perfect little kick. I also wanna bake some in here, just for a little bit of a creamy factor. Cheese. I can only fit 2 on the pizzazz at a time, so I'll make both of those and set them to the side just to cool off until they get home, and I'll start mine last. There we go. They've made it home. Their pizzas are just coming off of the pizzazz. The last thing that we have to do is add the toppings. A taco pizza traditionally has shredded lettuce on top, so you can shred your own, all that jazz. I bought a bag. Literally walking in the door. Some shredded lettuce right on top, just like that. A nice drizzle of taco sauce. There you go. There's your taco pizza. Hi! Hi, sweet girl. I'll come back and show you the bite. I'm getting positive reviews from this one. Our toddler looked at it and goes, yucky, yucky. And look at those jalapenos on there. Those look phenomenal. I'm so excited. This is gonna be piping hot. Shredded lettuce, you know it. A little bit of sauce. Let's do some of this sauce too. Check that guy out. Looks so good. Let me see if I can actually get a bite without burning my mouth off. Is the plan. The best hack is these naan breads are so easy. You could also do this with tortillas if you didn't have naan breads. Just use those as your base. Level up your leftover taco meat. I'm gonna go eat with my family. Thanks for sticking around.